my name is Graham. I work in the pastry kitchen in the Convention Centre Dublin. Here at the CCD, we like to keep food waste to a minimum. So here I'm using full use of a pumpkin. So normally at home, if you have a pumpkin, you use the flesh. Although we are using the flesh here, we're also incorporating every other part of the pumpkin. So this is your typical pumpkin pie. Very popular around Halloween and around Christmas time. Using the flesh and eggs, I've made the filling. I'm going to create a plate using a pumpkin puree combined with condensed milk and cinnamon. We also make a dust from the skin from the pumpkin and we sprinkle that on top to create a nice glaze. And then the final part of the pumpkin which we also use is the seeds which come from the centre, which are normally put into the bin. We will wash them off, dry them, roast them and then salt them, and they go into our savoury salads. You might notice around the end of Halloween a lot of discarded pumpkins left in parks and fields. And although these discarded pumpkins are great for our squirrels and Irish wildlife, why not use the full pumpkin and produce a pumpkin pie or puree or some seeds for your salad?